A young man who has completed his BBA and MBA from Brack University, Dhaka. Now he has concentrated to build up a dairy farm in his village home. After completion his MBA, he has taken a training on livestock from Youth Development Center at Sabha, Dhaka, to cultivation of maize and paddy, and this maize is used as a food for the cow. As a result, the costing of cherishing cow is reduced significantly and his margin of profit grows accordingly. Here is a pond where they do cultivation of local fishes, and normally they provide local foods with some fish feeds, and this ponds gives huge production of local fishes, which is also very much profitable. In his dairy farm, one cow has given birth of a calf. This is the newt calf which the people of this farm is feeding, and the newt calf is weak and it still cannot walk.